Lester, base cream, third year, and this I will show you the different parts of the vehicle. So the first part is the windshield. The windshield helps or protect the people inside. The second one is the wiper. It helps to clean the windshield, and it can be used in a rainy day to wipe the raindrops. The third one is the hood. It protects the engine inside. The fourth one is the bumper. It supports the hood and protects the engine inside. The fifth one is the plate number. It is the registration and the identify the vehicle. The next one is the indicator light or the signal light. It helps the driver to signal when he's going to turn over. Then the next one is the headlight. It gives light especially at night. The next one is side mirror. It helps the driver to calculate or to see what near the car. The next one is the door. It used for entering and if you are going outside the car. This one is the tail light. It gives warning when you stop. So the next one is the steering wheel. It gives the control over the vehicle. And the next one is the clutch. It disconnect and connect from your engine. And the next one is the brake. It helps for slowing or stopping the vehicle. And the next one is the accelerator. It gives the flow of the gasoline. This one is the gear shifter. It helps the movement from one part to another. And the next one is the handbrake. So the next one is rear view mirror. It helps you to view the car behind the car.